Equity is not an initiative. This message is for that school in your district. It's not charity. Equity isn't a favor we're doing for kids. Equity isn't something we're doing because there's been so much attention around social justice. In fact, equity shouldn't be driven by race or culture. It shouldn't be driven by your demographic. Now, if inequities in your demographics have brought it to light, then kudos to you for addressing it. But equity should be a part of the DNA of every school culture, of every district culture. Because the quest is to provide every student what they need, when they need it, with urgency to ensure equity, excellence, and achievement for all students, regardless of background. Equity isn't a book study. Equity is a clear, defined, observable, behavioral set of practices combined with a specific mindset to bring about that culture of learning for all. With equity, you got to start with the crown.